Be yourself. It's beautiful to be yourself. In a world filled with expectations and conformity, we always wear a mask to blend in crowd. It's time to break free from the ordinary. We always feel bored and uninspired in a monotonous surrounding. So, we need transformative training experience that makes us to stay smilingly engaged in work. The key is our workshop, being yourself, unleashing your power. Our activities and exercises cause personal growth. This unique training program is designed to help you rediscover your true self. Trainer gives insights that you enjoy with enthusiasm. Seekers love our expert facilitator. Facilitators help in journey of empowered self-discovery. Participants love to engage in deep conversations. Through thought-provoking discussions and interactive exercises that truly matter. Seekers step out of comfort zones to try new things. Be free from fear of judgment. Embrace your individuality. Express your unique talents, passions confidently. Discover your strengths. Unlock your creativity. Embrace your authentic voice. As participants come together, form a supportive community. Connect with like-minded individuals. Celebrate your true self. With authentic laughter and inner joy. As you complete, you are equipped with tools and mindset to thrive and be a strong self. A person confidently walks with a sense of purpose. Embrace the power of being yourself. Register now for Being Yourself, Unleash Your Power. Join us and embark on a life-changing journey. Call or WhatsApp us on +91 704 583 2888 and register. Grab this opportunity to discover your true potential. Register now. Be yourself. Unleash your power. Be true to yourself. Find the endless possibilities. Call +91 704 583 2888 to register for Being Yourself.